better.
Our services are available, are accessible, and affordable to both the cash patients and the complex patients, and also are using insurances.
Efficiency meets excellence at our express counter on the 4th floor, which is a fully equipped corporate outpatient wing designed to save you time while ensuring you receive comprehensive, personalized care in a comfortable setting. From our 7 units across Kenya to venturing into East Africa, Lifecare Hospitals is redefining healthcare delivery, bringing advanced solutions closer to you. Choose Lifecare Hospitals Meru for excellence, innovation, and personalized care. Together, let's make healthcare better. You can reach us on 0733 431 934. That is 0733 431 934. Lifecare Hospitals Meru. Better.
Je, unatafuta elimu?
Wega muribere wa Meru TV tukuinambere kwa tuicho kagira kairi na inkatho che mwanya tuno ntu wakuinambere kwa wiki oneni ya TV yaku ni muthenya wa Aramici hatu nambere kwa tukimurika amantu mwanya muno kiri state of the nation kana mwerekera umugongo tukainambere kwa tukimenya mugongo karakara tu mana tukainambere kwa tukiarageria rukererwa emunde ndina Mheshimiwa Alex Mutevu Ilangi ndeni ya mubango bengi wa muyita Laingo Juni, karibu sana kiongozi.
Thank you so much.
Mwega nontubo Kenya kirimu bango. Kedi murithiro Meru TV kengu tuinambere kwa tukiamba gile bwega.
Bwega sana ya nontubo afuatanete ya Meru TV nontubo mpaustie. Tukikanya ka ukethia muthikiri yetu okuma thucie Monkantonyere kainye diaspora parts of Meru mbaire mugeni na wiya yaku akioni yaku twaranirie mantu yayo tukonierie twakawithire mbito wa Mutembei Olairangi kari gitore siasa Laingo Junior umerete gichigo mbunge gatiganist ondine Muthara kanture twakailutha area wentu bo ndebe babeya otherwise no bora tu tukwangaika 1 2 3 tomanto tura no mutu twa wananchi kuchangamkia siaseni
tukagara idhane tuinu kidogo tugite na mbere kagitania ka Kipchumba Murkomen uyo ni waziri wa mantu mokere bwandeni thire tware ya Miru muthenya wa goro atindite na jukwaa la usalama ibwara mitaga na kwina mantu maingi muno makoni na ukaria maramere tumakina mbere kwigwa makendere ya Miru na thia na mbere kwigwa keragire mantu magano na mathatu muno mantu ta magikutakaya sniper kathi nambere kwa kiore DCI imepatathite ko kinyite ko mantu tabambijiwe na inambere kwa kiaragire mantu makonenie na wamba bwa ng'ombe na arora nterere chemenkani na arora kandebene maybe kire ndio ngeno ya Murkomen tika anwathingatirite mwishika na ata lakini do you think kwina gintu ga change muno kire sector no ya mantu makonenie na ukaria kire kana kinya former waziri wa mantu mokalia na ruthite michemano kathumba miru na gumia nkani aina mbere kwiwa kiongagira kadi baraba karage no nterere na tana kitere cha kandebene na those part lakini bado makareka mama thite na mbere kwa makionekana
ibwega sana famina no ntinya bakiuriki kintu kembere ambere muthikiria kindiunga ya CS itukuibwaga sana no ntobwa kuliungira inyamiro but bila tubati kwitha tukimenya we have implementers na twina law baraba kugwithia sheria so far ka lawmakers within the ground ka within our area Meru with the sub county kenda within sub county kenda chionde ka constituency chetu china representatives by MP na ngwe MP sana ithere kutega mantu ya security national park ekethere mantu kintu kyothe kikonie mantu ya national ikibati kithagie tabura so ni kintu kembere au congratulate the CS for coming that is one kintu kebiele mbere our MPs ibo babati kwithira bae na key concern ya ntobara represented tonto in fact muntu kuma thakenda cho tuko edite kuthura na ari no ruru bo tongoria na utongoria bwo twenda kuona impact ebuo na impact ebuo ni urite so far as we speak kiera eturi thai utongoria burite na tukiwa utongoria imuntu manager na tukiwa manager imuntu akumenya kona tu kona ya area cie kwawe bura kuendelea but turiwe ina surprise way inya para bongo pa utwatha matiko mebira bikuendelea maturene oni tha imbumirite maturene so I know ndipa nkirukie yara yongo ya witate ya kuendelea but kiwo ndenda kuwa inya mechamanio CS ya kubwithia we have seen inya CS bange bayete nyuma au bakabwithia a lot of them but it kura impact netia kintu kembere but ku involve the grassroots person that is mwananchi wa kawaida by deal with the administrations na administrations bakari orongo where possible that ibora to expect within those 2 years ito tutierie Meru will be the playing ground ya siasa na indi itakuwa mahali pa kuchezea na urero arora ngindano ya ntubaile kainye ngombe kainye njoka endiri ile tia kindana kintu kira kiumia inyangi na nyaki ongo aikumia ni wananchi sisi wenyewe sasa the mayor residents by yeu baba kaumia itukuona juzi yao murukomen the same na bithake chemo inaraura imbere cho I think na etera mochamani one akibithake mochamani mwao antu na wiba kwatakana ni another village na village imwe so thai area turi thai every citizen na lose the interest in a leadership perero by what measure measure nene na atwaranirie antu betu ba mugambo yo Kimeru itubati kwira na umara gukumbikana thai thirikari ni achizi sense na yakona ke nyumorira chiri umaira igoro kwena statistics che umegoro statistics chongo ire kuma irua almost 75% ya Kenyans 75% no kwati only 25 we bad kwithira area MCA they are president so president na lose from the grassroots that's why ukuona thai bagucherero na interior enio etumeka in a political way kweta chiefs baba corrupt
actually they know kwelekana machibu
sub chiefs
nene sana
so through by nenya nitia itaramoi juzi ano yakwa barasa ukara weta no aya summoned by the chief kasab chief ora weta inya very generous sometimes batrari nyangwe nonto because we have right as citizens ibatu twina uwena ntia taxi yetu ni utumika so we have to tell them what pertains to them na tora kwaria thai 2029 tukiakwithia tukirira it's good twaria thai tuba civic education na tuba mabura bati kwithira tukowa thai utongoria bura buryo ibuthiretie value kabisa until muntu ngakara ikura reform nite onto tukuwa the president we ngwa thai ariwa chief ibwa akaria nkerugia mwananchi baragwa inarora barathetaira askari. In fact askari akayukia bunduki akashutu mobile bathatu batano na mtu nakuonekana bati kuvuthia atira kintu ekiukia baragwa inara ntukirugia mwanja baurairwe batiere kuona MP o kaspul aikurawa itukuona kwina chini wetatia ikuendelea awasania sniper ayokua bataonaniria aria eba kuonania awasania still mbiwe haikura
actually araugire atina any report ya mbije
ketha atina any report na nwe end na wete nyamichamani security national tukauga aterenge lakini the owners of the information
ndikumenya mheshimiwa ikinonto Molcomen ethagirwa kinambere kwigwa kiri docket wera kathungira kainambere kwigwa ikionekana ate kurega no to the other time arari kiri mantu makonna ukamati nambi nukurikana kiani kia airport makure leakage kuragia nari kiri mantu makonna michetho watuika timu ya Kenya gutuika legelege I don't know kethirwa gatari na inya kana wote borabo gutongore kanimbi yoyongwa yethagirwa yena thina.
So onibran kauwa kintu kembere Murkomen is not running that docket kwina urakurani wewengwa and that is president no gailela ke around docket yonthe ere ina inya either TCS WPS na imukalenjin ke o parastato ngerugia department almost 75 bonde 69 PSs kan directors mukalenjin na the major dockets chiekiri yonto antobara bongo ba muigwa so ikuonania ao Murkomen akiran nyumore ya interior na rais ya nuare yao aimun directi okay bwao abductions jokareka mantu yange okareka antu bakura no tunya thai missing people kweni nyantu bakura ibauride ina bakura bagida if wowe munene na iwe CS no te kumba kwaginditi muntu yorere biye wina orere botwira batu ameru ina muntu aete botwira ikuka muntu oke guthiria mwaka muntu atithiki how sometimes we should have the reality ire bateri kwethereo the ministry te kwagete na changes cha ginya ko koti bainachio iba kumenya route the intelligent is there kimantu ya interior so why don't they follow patoni chana wenja but thai no tuira chief nuaka wa askari etibathatu kabana so askari baba kwa bana area upper party yetu this is the playing ground ya politics ererwa enio chief bagweta gurawa ende ora juice ya gerenyaga ijulerire kakwa murai
kana kinyego ngeo auragirwe actually kwena ngeo ndikurikana bwa kwena chief athie na mbere kwa kiora no nto bagotwekana kumbura antu baraba bakurutha mabetie na arora.
Of course yona kuritangwe njana ngini nwate ona muntu back tukilele bometi arora kwinongara thaikite mwekuru pakenda baina scandal yotunya na munda and this chief muntu raongelo mamulaka kwa karwatia
ukadho
atanyanyasa hao watu so oniriwa nikebokwa this is all politics na ibyo kioni yawa isi ni vipindire no tukona no kaki kuongeleka kipindire yesterday our end of state wengo nuroibwa nararaki orongo direct aro no ketha kana disease kwena disease ya kwari orongo
agenga thiti ya the standard on tungamba ambirie niyo bere tuthomeno ya the nation erigwe kiretu rangi ndi twaruga urongo bwabwe thiretu bukiongereka yani urongo bukuongereka wantu
anyway ta excess kiruginya erarawa at nya wa using tukiona lakini ende aruwa thai iturariria mundura omwene miundae almost 600 cars
yes
muntu agwire 2017
exactly
kugwa kati kumenya
na kumenya
so he knows so much but inakweria kukanga yantu bwaria muntu watia na bwera na thirikari yure agwite we itu bat kwetha tukiona ge tukikwetha bura me information ira machief bakwe baka the interior ino yo tumirwa nara igemiario raisi na sometimes era ni yombike otumenya Al-Shabaab bakona access juzi norona jere Mombasa narora muitone yo kwa yanto barora na ni Al-Shabaab people bakunkumera antubara bari unkumera na erera tukubwa nao kwe babara kwa inaba ba otunyo munda eti askari ba otumeka kweta ata kura antu mbatia bara bagaindi ya kuira pati kwenda kwaria so sometimes itu bati kweta twina logic injia na oni ke boko kiwira ni uma kipindire ni tontu atira chokere na ara kwantu bara orawa na uko oche moi Baringo away from that tontu atireta ebomet nara kwena issues but agionge diao Mount Kenya whereas itu kuibwa thai no tukile langatheti ya I think ya Monday Taifa Leo yawete Mudavadi wengo akaragia awa if Mount Kenya people not endorse Kithure Kindiki 2007 akaonerete kena kyo ome uri mwana twendete but thai ipatie kuwari na yoro wa ita le no gugwa ka gugwa ya tendera so deputy president with due respect anki muria where possible me kaliga kuichendera kamu go kuimunta yotororo so thai atekerie outka muirekeya on still nairi na analysis jabuthi tunyambere au tonywa kitena ke airo where possible usikubali no ntoiko kunyongwa sia politically
je mantu masiasa
thai atina uwe inyamiru yakeya tarakanithi yongwa atina uwe tukilela njunjuzi ria arari senator na rari na power enene nyaka ura mwaka ka miaka 5 at least akeya akiumba coordinate the upper eastern yonde but as we speak now atina uwe we ambaye inyo tukilela kya magako ke undi yesterday ndone bugi kira news apa tu Embu County all delegations kao coordinators baki amake undi na tukimenya niyo chairman wo Cecil Mbarire dangamana baka wa kuma bae kudhurwa that is back 2022 yes bata tirimana nyarimwe na itukuona na araba kiora Kilobas Malala itukuona bagiringa Gachagua itukuona Valenturi na bakendi wipo so what is not going on Kindiki is losing the ground
tukere githuno chia Kindiki na tukiona kambi kinambe kuikiambagiria kufomwa tukaona taino kwina kambi ya Wamunyoro ere to Wamunyoro ere kuonekana tayomba kwa yena with litarito mwaka kulingana bwa ukara na kwina eno ya thirikari do you think maybe Gachagua aomba go shape chia cha Kenya maybe 2027
there's a lot of challenge here na tukiarerio we have failed as leaders na tukuwa we have failed yanjiriritie urawa ngiyemone ora Kenya ma so the president himself anamurio yo kamata either is cans chiditengwe ka kansya opposition chiditengwe of which I see our opposition zibabati kwetha bena key agenda era yo ngoba wetabura mastingo is not an agenda na eni obatuma oera wa murimo mujoga
otiano pegi
iyo re amdo so if president now ana compress people as we speak now na hakiingia tamu ya pili ukitha hivi vifungu vya njiriti ochenjwa vya katiba na kuona for the last 3 days MPs baitira na ochangamka baraura the people the citizens bongo baraura muntu anti na thina akanengero ngiri 3 ngiri 2 ngiri 1 but you suffer for it bifungu bimoga weta bachokaniria uchokaneria diseneta awe kitiewe angabinge bwethwe NGCDF utukureana nio batinya hata kama ijaini saidia imesaidia wengine hiyo sikatai but kwina vifungu bimwe twache thao tutaumia bandaye na tukarira nontu muntu ari yakahekira ini into ati blindly nontu bangirie mongiri ile ngiri 3 sometimes antu betu nyotha twina thina itubathi tugetha tukimenya limit arawa tuwika twingwa na ibo ntukwira this country to in another era and this era that is coming it will prove us right and the era that we are coming ni akwira owned politics ka owned cheating ka treacheries into byonthe byotukangaia bithire twitikirie era ingi ira ina mantu establishment na transparency accountability of leadership so na ini bondu nkuria all Gen Zs all millennials bonthe bakwigwa matu ya Kimiru na inyakethera utikugwa Kimiru you can hear at least English we are advocating and we are championing for the registration of the ID cards as long as IMBC yetu yatangaza soon turomba all those people by category na millennials na Gen Zs by register there as the voters babwithie mass convert chekura yantu baba hivi bonde kethe tukwenda chinchi anthe and I'm asking them all wethire we mutongoria wa kanisa wethire mutongoria wa department yonde witurie kithurano ne ke 2027 nyawo thurwe we need more vibrant vocal youths by na positions kedate MCA ni MP kedate MP women rep kedate women rep governorship senatorial na nya presidents Gen Z ka antu baba hivi bara sideline ne nyo tongorio ntukona bukithukao ikuonania antu baba tutumira bubui in fact muntu aena 60 70 years orana kinyete enji utebya wetwa orana kinyete enji utia kwinyi lwikyo kintu kira kimwinyi letku imbeje je wekira ngare mauta na ukinyara etite na bingi biwete ni ntobya yako manage but these young people the generation yeo onde tukona ndia etina bya ku manage etina family baba ingi so there is no responsibility so ibo tukone nyaba kiurawa so I'm asking them can they bakwenda kuchinjia this country once for all registration mobilize people na kwaya na civic education na twitorie twingo kenda tuthurwa but thai yonkona thai ontinya tukinyangwa manto ya kukajwa Gachagua has been in the government since the era of Nyayo.
Kagita Kanyayo.
So no more 40 years chidiri. Antoka ile la 24 plus 10 ya Kibaki plus 10 ya Uhuru. That is 44. So 44 na ngeni yete yao. So almost 50 years. So 50 years down the line he has been in the government. Ruto the same has been in the government. Raila has been in the government since Nyambere Nyayo. So antubabo the change. Tombekia wekira tona. Kalonzo has been there still. Martha Karua has been there. Although I champion her, she's very well when it comes to leadership. Okay, Lalakede Matiang, still they have been there. We haven't seen any change. So we need a new blood, a new leadership, a new era. So with the politics here, it change. Wera wa musitu ule na hata nyani ni yule bila bio change yake de misitu environment kede yokonga kede nyambene kede forest in Mount Kenya ka bandea ijo change yake the environment but akauma areta enjeri culture oera arianio na rakungi so tebera wembe uko na si ule tumejua sasa tutaifanya ingine mpya
bwega sana gatu ya Meru tungogebwa governor mutume twethinkia itwe tukiona criticisms ikiamberia muno the former governor na governor yoriku the other day on former governor Kawira Mwangaza akiwa kamuchokia na arari lakini migamono yumaniti na wakili Manyara lakini governor amewata mbaru orari governor agachoka na arari committee na agachoka thaino athiete kuingirwa no we governor Meru thaino mutume bado deputy governor tona governor mutuma no na arora ntere Nyambene akiwa kinyawe na chai tia kawira tio kama ng'ombe ciao kumba kwegua baire baba kamba kwa bakiambagiria ndwa ya miario kumba kwegua kaba kwenda kuonania mpatho ciao wazi kana mbio mbako yakienda kwambiria mweshi.
So sometimes into hivyo kutheka na yamearia kwa if you can ku retrieve videos twarete nyuma ao one time right whereby we analyzing such some days back na kintu kira tuwire the leadership will not change. What changes is the personality but still kandi no imwe
kandi no wera.
Yes, the deputy governor and former governor kainya governor bo mweta bai ni bitije nyane mwe so wera wa mundo kumerandra tbaile ba mama ntamwe unwetha ena ndao na tukiwa nwetha na ndao in fact the governor or the former governor and the current governor they have been eating in one plate. Wamekuwa wakikula na kijiko moja. Walikuwa wamenajifunika na blanketi moja. Otibo ni thai mpandre piti wa Faminas. Mbele atiko measiri cha Faminas chonde. Na Faminas atiko measiri cha kwa chonde. So wanajuana na wera wa nini wanajuana vilemba. So kethira iba kumeana na iremba byo batura iri ntaka uketha kuyepo akanire nawe watwira o intaka Faminas yampakire ntaka imutembe yampakire kwicho bibati kwitha chikia ya tamt ibo ndugwira thai we doesn't have the leadership that we needs turenda mtu wito manager ora na skills chaku coordinate ka kuona ni mwerekera ki mtura wewe ngwa bathurire tutathurire mutuma but we appreciate now he is the governor. Yes, kawira no tuthurire but asapotwa imutuma kegethurano. So the same way this is the same leadership that is there now tero baka ukana mwaka 2027 uwe mutuma nda guthuronge of which as we speak now the current move ya county kwina peace. That is one we can congratulate with our leaders. Two, itu kuona bibi inge bikiarua inatha tutaona implementations at least tuwikira up na wera wa nya getu inda tukuthoma Bible onde mwetikia so Bible yukuro ria Roma 12 erua twetikagia sana bila tuthoma kirugia bila tuyakua na tuke ya wetikio bo ibo ntugibwa thai tukirwa mutuma akiwa Meru level 5 yo ekambi level 6 tukuibwa bo twaitikia gwetikia bura twaitikia ituronete at least juicy lieutenants ba njeshi barabara wamirite chibitari njeshi ibarayete batumi president kuria mutuma the way kainya kona structure na ambi Meru level 5 at least that's one move itu kuona bange ao barayete hamref barari kwegoro so ikukuona kwena kintu kitwikira hope inyo thira chai kunyua chai tiati na kera all civil servants opportunity comes once itara munyi kwara chai itara kira itu kwara chai itara ngabana kawira ritara chai itara mutumare na chai so omuntu na utongoria bwawe bora bukari but tutibati ukriticize sana na mantu ya okonie local things so mutuma nkumuria with due diligence akachoka ke miambo emwe former governor akwaria at least agua kera kwa mwete kiguma
imetoka
hiyo imemtoka nawe mutuma nditone juzi niwe aenjire ya Mikindori amuchokeria meamboe utabati uchoke meamboe na meamboe niyo ya okwiria temperature ringi oya temperature yugirite Kenya thai
yes
uribwa ngouru anganu arawire njensi ba ilevereti muoho mutono inanwe Mombasa au hivyo antu barate aba kurara antu amwe iyo thiba kwaria na mbi kwina ira muntu akuwa ya murita at least mathugania maingi na inya kwari ko kuingia at least ke medical field you are it is good kaba kwari ko kuingia nkirukie ko gichuku gutema kaba kwari ko kuingia nkirukie ko gibunduki kurathana so atukauwa o mara gukombekana but mutuma ingo kuromba be a good manager be a good CEO wachana kuongea vitu ovyo inya thai mutumbia karia kintu kikaria au thai utibati umuchokeria na inya kambe kwitibati umuchokeria private chetha kandi eku in the best way okirai amref okarai at least lieutenant bau itukuona kwena basio njiba kwea so at least atgenia baba kia ibakura rwetu tunakunywa kama tukoona becha at least ibakura nya mauta ya area yeo ya petrol station pia tiatiwa na betu bongo bakona becha ira bandikiri so itukuromba ara kukumbikana
bwega sana
asionge vitu mingi
alright bwega gatu nana teche muthara tukirikiria mubango uri wawo na wewe uri wawo maybe ubangite hata na muthara
ipo kana ntu bwake uria ki antu ba muthara inkubukethia na nkebuketha kiringi na etio antu bare bainya muno na muntu wende awetwo muthara uribu inya riturongo muthara riwa weru so bara ibabona na kia weru inya in fact inya ibabanditamaini gitige ngavana no akayugia
na
muthara ibabanditamaini gitige MP otigane tu no akayugia or the same way ibabanditamaini MCA therefore kwa MCA okuma muthara ofijira iro kona mheshimiwa Murangiri na akirire ngori na aitire but the former bauba ithirite benyu mau itwithirite tukionekana kile limelight kivyo ni TV kile ndio chetu tukona mitandaone bora improvement muthara wita but as per now as we speak nithirite ina lawama na lawama ite kuwa muntu moka baile bakume experience ni a large crowd of people ikethe ni insecurity no antu betu bakwita bura kwache ruwe no gugwita atia maybe mibango endra mugibwa ninji but uteyo implement inyayo mwe tukaigwa antu ibawekirwa manto ya barabara iji gwenjenjwa but muthara muzo the case badu izo yetira atia because ndakwira thai tutina utongoria tutena leaders barabongo ba leaders but we have politicians na tutikwenda batu politicians turenda managers and that's why onike boko de mbarara dia na antu bango ari ba muthara most of the people baimbera they have seen I have skills na skills iche managerial icho tukwenda na ibo ntutha inkubaira kubaromba 2022 ibambikirie ngwe boya but muleko yotathirire so at least tware diapo anje daite itere siasa nganje itere siasa nkaya nkabwera musimamo gurakari imbure dio bainge but still no katwetere owe ko kenda abwithia kaita kawe kathira so tutomba thai kwanjio champion kwa kintu kinana gitio wengo akaya withetera twimura gichuria so thai nte kwenda kurita lawama yote but inguthikira sauti cia antu ba muthara bandu ende tukaila la barabara ya Karongo yonde ni atire arui antu barabara tikona awitira uti barabara oketa koi uri maburwa ndarache uyongwa enugyo na gwetu na mutongoria ana bagigila chukuru baita maburwa baba kumanjira manyimwere na araura aitie za mama antu bau bati kuona okulukira kainya from the area siwingi yonde antu bara bati kumba okila nontu ndaracha irite kina ina in fact the onda ndaibuinya ke obwo but dawa tu at least umona chiarawa na ili uchiarawa kwena remnant kwa remnant ke kwena matiari ya tiara so mutembe ino mo matiari na ndiye turako rito mutembe yote ntembete tede mudara na nkona antu banyimwera na bongo bakurira bachunwa bageta teta kwinjeshi antu ba 780 kama mwero nkoro na nze na ara na antu bantulele no kokona baina compression simpingi mbati muntu yo ekuthaire the opportunity ekulobera antu bawe tela sima account you can go even to a national level wa eto ko UGMP oku wa the Ministry of Land wato bugorwa area mudharo ntu itina taito ndindi no ntobo 1 2 3 na ya tongoria bugaya na ngira ziru people pako twira 1 2 3 to bwithia 1 2 3 wato Ministry of Water ta kwende kukura ya with link ya county either county kurema suendre national kwende ya wafadhili baya apart from bau kwena wibwa kwena World Bank etibaka bakaya na kabros bakabwithia kwena Ministry of Agriculture bakuya bakobwithia in fact yerera honorable Peter Munyari ICS na yere na rui na enjira mudhara kithima kwenja kithima kera yutuni onto baba syndico ati SNFC I think into egeu na rui tha irunya wa turia muthika lunture RCS still erure nira yere tatia aka mudhara tukaila ringe ku inya NCPB chigion ma but they are not operating so oni mantya madate kwenda kwaria so much me on to that this yazene endi moshiwa murangiri no bati kwethira we responsible na ngwire kubati endi antu mudhara by 2027 ikinya musimamo yoko kaida dewe tabura no kuthikathikira kwena misiva eminge mma but ngauwa pole ndo ya mainge nayo mantu ya ugima bo mwiri ugima bumwiri utibu bwe mudhara the entire world ina changamoto but ngagira tu ngauwa tu aizuru ntu nyandarira ntetethia ndu ara inkumba oni ara nkumba ingutethia kwena Amula Foundation ne yete na ika kwena into yete kubwithia about the prevention na mostly vile tukumenja muno abyo ikuoni antu bila byutuma mirimo ebachia kagenda kira kyatuma wawengwa otikamame chibitari kawiji chibitari ikuimenyera ora prevention is more
better than cure
so keze better na more better kwa cancer ina challenge mpinge ende go prevent ikaintoka nini mukingo ina curative yayo ni mbeche impinge ka koria kainya ko maintain yotikendele but korieria ikura isi the same way mirimo ya kwarwa the same way we mantu yonthe okanie murimo ugima bo mwiri ukaitha buteo utimaendelea kaitha ryo utumba kuringa kura taxi utumba kuria barabara utumba wetera so bila tubati kumenja abyo mbere ikuona afya mtu isasawa so I think Amula Foundation is there na ine yete na new support yara ikumba but we thank God ketha ni arimi itukuona bandu kwina barabandiri baina changamoto no ntinkuona ya maingi du okwenda utuma mbaria ntikwenda kwaria mbaiti tara siasa and I want to speak where possible onimbuwe 2027 kuringana na ground burankona au come as the savior mudhara
gatwarire kana tatonge kidogo tumakona kithomo mudhara state ya kithomo ekaria to mudhara
very at wherever atindraya need there is a ndaya need in fact County Meru in some 5-10 years ago it was there to feature the indi kwira as we speak twina mete kiroki enya mubunge nkomoria ara kukumbikana no tukwina management na kwina mbondi ira yo ngwa ithirite ya sub county kaya ward level ire kutega mantu ya githomo thai chukuru chietu simenda chini the secondary the primary Ketha ya rimu ba relaxed, I don't know. Ketha ni achiari ba relaxed, I don't know. But the management is very poor. On to the sub-county, Muntoro Merita Madomo, they are relaxant because the Lindas themselves, they cannot force the area. Ogona area, and just use Yago and Chukuru Yayete. MP night, with a run to Quengenau. But in Bibu to Menyam Giraya, relaxant. In fact, the area at Chukuru on the Tuanio, the Bonsa area, Yamakindo Girls, to kill a Sensiprian, they are in Yande school. From a boys' school, area iterea to Yonekana, Evoko, Nike to Kinene. Tumbindi Mint, Mankaya Kinyande school. Nande school, Kachiwate, area, we are not when a Motherande, when a Sensiprian, when a Saint John. So, okay, like in Angaru, Kachi area Moiquia. So, when there is a need in that area. Sometimes, Japo ever innovated it does. Whether I'm Muranu effective Wakuitabura, Akoritana. Muranora and Guana Changamoto Korea going Becha. I don't know, remember you. Nanya the Zion Webber without Timan to Yaman to tuition. So, when into be being advocate, come 2027, of which I'm trying now. Nya wait for came and to ya sub-county education officer. With a Korea came to Kimona, gave him Bibion Gobiotuma, Batekwa Tombaru, where possible, leadership we are doing air. We will cure you, but the eye to Gurjetunya Keroga, Gadiri, Kamaka Mudiru, to in the Tutron and Canaya top the county. In a kin district level, whatever to make it university. In fact, Mana by Luatano, Kijuguru Yaika more than that 50 K university, but take Womba, Tuera, Ara to Guru see. To Etinoya to get that to innovation, Yakona Kuraya. Now, Nelson Mandela, our education is the key for liberation. So, okay, they took Wenda Kumaranua, Naukea, Tu Maranua, no Tongore Boboy, Uguera, Tu Maranua, Nandra, Chekimichi, Tu Marania, Nandra, Jaguea, Yan Batu Anjiri, or Tekana, now new Babangi, now beyond the into beyond the BMBs, Nago eliminate the society. If society will not have the education, then to come and generation, Nezire, Nebun to Konadai, Inaruto, our president. I to now to Miran to Boboy, on Tora with a PhD Wanka. We were just using one Ninka and a PhD. Na PhD, one year to make her. I want in a Rojuro, Tero Wado, Iro Gunawado, on to Zaiga Gunawado, Bragwenda. Edra in Banjetiero, if we do Akauna Akiami and Jere. Edra Uribua, I would change more than 4 times. Cabinet, Neyaku and a bank to change here, so the 50 times. I'm break Bragwenda. So, okay, that's to the Mediana Beto, Bakaini Lukabe, Mutae, by either by Mitae, a Queen Lua, Sana. Tai to dinner is a Capia Quana, to dinner on Betiobaira, to dinner to the Bayazambur, Bakarova, Visasi, even to Kona together, 20 glasses, kill a time, what to a Megufa, kill a time, what to an Agongana, non to Kaida Twina. To Chokwenuma Iguachi Kizomo. So Antobetu in Korea, Arakumbekana. Mutongoria Vendora Kayaka Kwe, Monia Tambere, into a Kedra Kikurai, Monia Korea, Ouri. Quadri Barabara, when Quadri Stima, on to Quenari in Pingimuno, but with I and Sindiev now, and Sindiev, Oteva Fadilibona. Apart from Menkona Queen areas. Yes, of Fadili. Ministries, you apart from electricity, energy. No way to get of Outiao, Naina support. Namonapata evitu. Menkona onimponente, Inyaba Ingima by sponsor, Kabakiawa into. Araku Kumbekana. So, Ona our resident citizens, where possible. They should be very keen and they should be vocal. Onto the Ibarua at Gensi, Barrier Badimo, Gensi, Barrier Banimoera, where possible, Okaito Mearieku, Ariaro Kumbekana. Kamani Kuongea kwa simu, type a thing that is sensible ekara change within our areas na musiogope kuongea.
Bwega sana kiongozi na untu bwagu na ibwega na untu bwamega muno mimbi tukirekeria ugeba ukiria Meru ugeba ukiria karibu Muthara mbere na mbere kwa tukingure kagiri mubango wetu
kintu kembere kiranka wa ndiwa utongoria tia bukwithira utongoria buchwawa na kintu kiranka wa article 55 ni kwa youth inya youth barero batina mbecha bati babange akuru bakawa bena mbecha so bakaomba kura ananchi na ibontu kuimisa thai on a live TV na ekuonekana inya diaspora away from our area. I'm urging all individuals who are below that 5 years, they should be very sensitive when it comes to politics. Politics is our lifestyle. Na itire kaura. Hii ndio tunakula, ndio tunakunywa, ndio tunaomba, ndio tunakifanya kila kitu. Na kiwa kuromba makanisa yongo thai ya tukire yaromba siasa. So we have changed from worshiping Murungu kweta kisa kiula siasa. Na ini tubati change as youths. Regardless of what you better, we are urging all the citizens by tuitikirio ntuitu kwenda era ingi ya kuria kwetikiria ungumania kuria wetikiria watho bwo gutwinyilia turenda kintu kikwita mbere boya. In fact, this is the year that is going to end. Kai mwaka yuthite kuthira njenzi bae kurawa but yantu barabo ontho ti wona nyumwera kyoto kyawe but itu kuona baraba ina iyoto mugaru na sheria ipo ba kuona iyoto ende kyoto kirake gurwa kyama kitikuonekana. So we are asking even our judiciary, all injustice cases they should be dealt with justly. Non tutuku wao barabonde bakwire kina Masai Rex bonde babonde na nya barabondo ba abductitwe dirikare tiraua kuhusu bwa mantu yau CS of interior kainya on defense inyo kuona askari wengo documentary yo turu BBC na erwa njeshi niyo ya turire na niyo ya urantu. In fact muntu ya 25 meter no mushoot ini ndo bibira biotwira uongozi wetu na bububoe na ibo ntukwenda change ya. So I'm advocating for youths li change for youths change ka change ira kurawi youth ni kaithe enja regardless ya kwacha mbecha itorie regardless ya wacha mbecha iyo 2027 kidura none regardless ya kuthotira mbecha itawire njiste irigale inyo ya twainya kwaria na tute support muntu ati na ideology ra tuwitanio kintu kya pile mbue kiria Meru betu ibwega no ntubo ukiriria bura bena bwo lakini ukiriria bwetu bwonthe bukaithira ibwo kwinyilu inya bwo ona at least chai ekurwa million 14 atikwenda kukumira. So Meru tuitikiri uongozi bwetu ende MCA betu deka baraba kwanja ugritses bakiwanga kwena barabara na babange we are asking for the development ejo tukwenda na nyapo kita ki budget etukwa one route kambi iyo hatutaki turenda batu kintu kira tukuona tangible kama ni kilasi ya isindi ketha ni arimu ba isindi bandikwe kwethira imantu ya majibitari tuone ndawa our dispensaries jina running equipment na inya other practitioners barabara dikwithira bario by the bario kama ni barabara tuone. So we need tangible projects tutikwenda mantu ya kwarirwa nontu miario thaini iringia na maurongo yengia amma. We want to say we want a clear transparent accountability ke uongozi bora twina bwo na ngithiria ngaira antu ba Muthara twina babwe na no bukaritie na Murungu embere ke yonthe era yakaumira still amia to update you na ndirombo thetera ara kukumbikana antu batiganisti bwinthe ibukethwe ende bwithwanirie na tutiganisti yake ona tigania west Regembe north south central Imenti north south na nya central na bure itubati uchinchia kuma ke transitions itwe twina chicho tongoria tukayakire utongoria bubweru na nkiwa utongoria bubweru ni utongoria bwina transparency accountability mantu yara yongo ya kanyo ntu kuona nyezi ndiye vira ya auditor general audit na arora wewe 99% ya abunge batitumaira batitumaira so inachieta ketha batitumaira chingu magume ondoneo
baka igoro
na ibo ntukone nyaba kila thotheri ibo yes na mutakufa mingi kama hutatumikia wananchi vile inafaa mutakufa lakini kubarombera huko
tikara ora wani
tutekuaura age tona tuko ile la wakabete muchai 2015 alikufa aje so oni ndioria arakukumbikana kethera no wa mamlaka rita ngwe wekira murungu
bwega sana Moshi. Thank you very much Mwithiro Meru TV ngatho chemwanya tuno ntu kwina mbere kwigwa aurikio nini ya TV yaku na ntu boto ina mbere kwa twekinyaga bwega no ntu bakwo karagu nde na gututhikiria kumara twina mbere kwa tukiamagiria mwanka kagitania era wa mwalechia nde tima tugo ngutiga twakinya muthigo mubango wetu rukiri rwa emundi maybe ndereke mwe final remarks.
So oni ndira fraternity management ya Meru TV, thank you for hosting me na nyawo wampa kanya ka ukwaria kera muthikiria tu ukethera kuyo twaria mbaya ka kuyo twaria kintu kiti kuitaniria boya pole na inkuromborekeri ke the same uketha kuyo twaria gikeya kiukukonie na kiukuwata na kiutethia tethinya kumenyithia urari ukue na uwe kenda tumba gutethania kumenyana twinthe tutakaitha tukuringa imeme biotheri ke mwicho mbere antu ba muthara imbwendete na ninkubuthwaniria utuku na muthenya na ngiwa ondri sevio muthara ka oni be totethia weru bobwe nubumba kuthara boya no na turi anjiria to mo na oninga eto mo so muthara mutembei ikaita kurani boya na kintu kigi nkimenya kintu kianjirirwa na utulia maru kugaya gwitata
kuthiria bwega sana. Thank you very much bwega kinyano.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Na kuya twina mbere kwa tukianagiria rukiri rwe mundi bibi twachwa kagita kangi twina mbere kwa tukianagiria nkuruki na nkuruki yango twina mbere kwa tukimenyaga bwaguka.
Thank you so much.
Bwega ni ukathigwithira bambetrani family zwa kimathi nkatho chemwanya tuno ntu bakwina mbere kwa we mubangoni ni na rutero rwa ngikona ramse no kwa mwarekere wetu twakwendera ama ntuo imbere.
Je, unatafuta elimu bora yenye ujuzi wa kipekee? Karibu Embu College, chuo kinachoongoza katika taaluma mbalimbali. Tunasajili wanafunzi waliopata C kufanya diploma, D kufanya certificate na waliopata D minor na E kufanya artisan courses. Jisajili leo ili upate kufanya courses zifuatazo: School of Accounting